upload and publish documents into the software, so it can be seen by the UN volunteers in order to keep the e-library up to date. Keep in mind that in order to follow the next steps to upload the documents on the PMB software, you have to first read the manual of classification and have clear concepts in all the contents of this manual. First, click on the link below to go to PMB software. Whenever you launch PMB, a login screen is displayed asking for a username and password. Then log in. Remember that you can change the password in the user preferences. Here is the PMB management interface. The screen is divided in three sections: the main navigation bar, the side menu, and the central interface. In this tutorial, we are going to overview only the uploading document process. Cataloguing refers to the process involved in the creation of a library catalog, which in turn enables searches, loan management, the compilation of statistics, etc. Where you go to Cataloguing, in the side menu you will find the next contents: Search and Documents. In the search section, you can find several options to search for documents. The main options to look it up is by author or title, subject, keywords, and publisher. To make a search, first select an option for your search. Then type in the box the word you are looking for. For example, let's search for the title Development, and then click on Search. To display the full bibliographical entry for a document returned by the search, click on the plus button to expand the entry and list all the copies of the work. Click on the title to display the catalog details of the document. The option Recent Additions allows you to display the latest entries in the database. This element allows you to access the latest entries. In the document section, remember always to register the information of every document, such as title, summary, theme, etc., according to the parameters given in the manual of classification. To create a new record, go to Cataloguing and then click New Record. First, PMB asks for an identification number called the ISBN. If you have it, type it in. Otherwise, click on the Next because it is not compulsory to enter it. Then, in the central interface, appears a form requesting all the information about the document. Now we are going to learn how to fulfill this information. Choosing a material designation. Almost all the material in the library is an electronic document. The title proper box is the principal title of the document. Type the title. To select an author, click on the button ellipsis. Then select the author in the Search Author pop-up. To search for an author, enter the first letter of his or her last name and click on Search. The results of the search are then displayed. If the author of a work you are cataloging is not yet registered, you can add him or her by clicking on the button Add Author. Print. In the Select Publisher pop-up, select a publisher or choose Add Publisher and complete the entry. In the year box type, year of publication, in the ISBN, which was asked in the first screen of the new record entry, is displayed here. Click on the ellipsis button to open a pop-up, either to scanning the EAN of the work or for entering its ISBN. The entry is done via pop-up to avoid closing a new record entry in edit mode after validation of a barcode scan. PMB automatically converts EANs into ISBN. The collation area details various information related to the physical aspect of the document. Extent of items, number of volumes, pagination, illustration, format, price, accompanying materials, etc. There are three types of notes: general contents link, and a summary and excerpt of the document. For instance, the summary of a novel of the outside back cover. Indexing. To select a subject, click on the ellipsis button. To enter an additional subject, click on the plus button. To remove a select subject, click on the X button. Keep in mind the classification given in the manual, and please be thorough and specific about the process of classification. To open the folder, click on the folder icon, not just the word, and then select the items by clicking on the words of the classification. Notice that every time you click on an item, these are added up in new boxes below the index section. For example, if the classification is geographical, click on the folder and then select the specific region or country that the document comes from. Language of publication. Here you can specify the original language of the publication, defined by default in User's Preference. For more information, consult the chapter User's Preference. Adding an electronic copy. Electronic copies or e-copies are not links, but actual digital documents directly integrated in your catalog in PMB. You can thus add to your catalog as many types of digitalized documents as PDF, MP3, text, spreadsheets, pictures, etc. You can define various information: the name of the document, the file of the digital document. Click on the Browse button and select the file you wish to upload to the server. You can add a thumbnail, the image for the electronic document icon. Click on the Browse button and select the file you wish to upload to the server. You can also upload an external file from your intranet or the internet. In this case, specify the URL of the file. The thumbnails is generated automatically from the GIF, PDF, or another picture type of document it's uploaded. To save your modification, click on Save or else Delete it. If you have opened an e-copy in edit mode, you can also delete it.